The iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaning robot is revolutionizing the way people clean. More than 5 million home robots have been sold worldwide, with Roomba leading the way to help keep floors clean. Roomba vacuums your carpets and hard floors on its own, so you don't have to. Join the revolution and let Roomba help you do the dirty work. Roomba's cleaning head automatically adjusts to clean carpets, hardwood, tile, and linoleum floors as it moves through your home. Roomba picks up an amazing amount of dirt, pet hair, and other debris with its patented 3-stage cleaning system. A spinning side brush cleans along wall edges. Counter-rotating brushes act like a dustpan and broom, and a powerful vacuum gets rid of dirt and dust. Roomba is the perfect fit for the real world. It cleans the whole floor, including under and around furniture and along wall edges, making multiple passes over the same areas. Roomba is able to do all this because of iRobot's iAdapt responsive cleaning technology, an advanced system of software and sensors. In fact, Roomba uses over 40 robotic behaviors and makes more than 60 decisions per second to ensure that it vacuums every section of your room. Additional iAdapt features include Roomba's light touch bumper technology, which discerns soft barriers from solid barriers, allowing Roomba to go under curtains, comforters, bed skirts, and couch skirts. Wall following technology, which ensures the most thorough floor coverage possible. Dirt Detect technology, which uses an acoustic sensor to help Roomba find dirtier areas and spend more time cleaning them. And cliff detection sensors, which allow Roomba to avoid stairs and other drop-offs. Roomba is very easy to use. Just press the clean button and let Roomba help you do the dirty work. Roomba's anti-tangle technology keeps it from getting stuck on cords, carpet fringe, and tassels. Roomba knows which areas to clean and those to avoid. Virtual wall technology keeps Roomba in the rooms you want to clean and out of the ones you don't. Roomba's Spot Clean mode quickly cleans concentrated dirt and debris. Roomba automatically goes back to its home base to recharge between cleanings. The iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaning robot vacuums your carpets and hard floors on its own, so you don't have to.